All right, so if Perplexity AI feels slow, I feel like it's taking forever to respond or load answers, yeah, that can get annoying fast. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow response issues step by step. First, a quick idea. Slow responses usually happen because of weak internet, heavy queries, browser issues, or sometimes server overload. Start simple. Check your internet speed. If it's slow or unstable, responses will take longer to load. Next, simplify your question. Very long or complex prompts can slow down responses, so keep them clear and focused. Try refreshing the page or resending your request. Sometimes it just needs a quick retry. If it's still slow, clear your browser cache and cookies. This helps improve loading speed. Turn off VPNs and unnecessary extensions. They can slow down connections and responses. Try another browser or device. Sometimes performance issues come from your setup, close unused tabs, or apps. Freeing up memory can improve speed, and sometimes it's not you. If servers are busy, responses will be slower. So you might need to wait a bit. So yeah, slow response issues are usually easy to fix. Just go step by step, and you should see a big improvement. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more quick fixes coming soon.